We love a fish pie here at the Fish Society, and today we're doing a fish pie with a twist. It is going to be a curried fish pie. So if you love fish curry and you love fish pie, these go hand in hand and it is a fabulous dish. So what we've got here today to assemble this beauty is some smoked haddock, some cod, some salmon and some prawns. We've got some spinach and some cauliflower and the potatoes to make the fluffy topping. We've got some Madras curry paste, we've got some coriander, a white onion, Nigella seeds and mustard seeds. And I'm going to take you through step by step on how to make this dish at home. So I've got some boiling water ready to go for my potatoes that are all ready and chopped up. So you just want to season your potatoes with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And these are going to boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. Whilst your potatoes are just pre-boiling, heat your oven up to 180 degrees. I'm going to grab a little bit of oil and start on the cauliflower. So a little squirt. Get that nicely heated up. Grab your cauliflower, pop that in your pan. Okay, now you want to add your white onion. Okay, so these are getting some really nice colour now. They add such a great flavour to the pie. And we're going to go in with our Madras curry paste now. So you want to get a nice coating over all your cauliflower before we add in our next ingredient. Okay, now I'm going to pour in 400 millilitres of coconut milk. Okay, final ingredient, add in your spinach. Season, key, if you can open your salt. Of course, we've got posh salt that I can't get into. Oh my goodness. Okay, bit of seasoning. And we're just going to let that simmer now until our potatoes are ready. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, star of the show, the seafood. So, like I said, we've got some smoked haddock misshapes. Pop that in. We have got some cod. Pop that in. We have got some salmon. Just look at the size of these prawns. I should have got a larger pan. So give that a nice gentle stir. It might get a bit splashy, but we are just going to coat that in all these beautiful flavours because most of the cooking is going to happen in the oven. Okay, you want to strain your potatoes in a colander, pop that in the sink, take your potatoes off the heat and give them a good drain. So you're going to melt down your butter. Okay, so now my butter has melted down, we're going to add the mustard seeds and Nigella seeds. So pop those in, give that a good stir. So this is what adds the flavour to make those sort of Bombay potatoes. I'm going to pop the potatoes back in now. We don't want a smooth mashed potato. We want like a fluffy, sort of chunky mashed potato. So we're still getting that Bombay potato experience on the top of our fish pie. So be quite aggressive, but you don't need to give it a press. Just get it all nicely binded together. Flaky, chunky goodness of those potatoes. Okay, now you want to add some coriander. Okay, so let's assemble the pie. So we're going to pour that in to a dish. Make sure it's nicely evenly distributed from the cauliflower to the fish. Oh, very excited. So you want to do this bit a bit delicately. You don't want to just dump it on the top. So just grab a little bit by little bit and just position it and layer it on the top, so you know you're getting a good coating of your Bombay potatoes. Bombay potato mash. Oh my goodness me, it's going to be fabulous. Okay, so you now want to pop that in the oven for 30 minutes. And let's wait for the magic to happen. Ta-da! Oh. Guys, this looks incredible. Wow. And there we have it, our beautiful curried fish pie. Absolutely perfect for Christmas Eve, for those of you who have family and friends over. It is delicious, and I have just got already myself quite a big bowl. Let's just put a few more little chunks of fish in there. And just, these prawns. Every bite is sensational. It is absolutely delicious, and we hope that you enjoy it at home, everyone.